Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to make coloring pages on t-shirts. So basically it's like a coloring book, but it's on a t-shirt. What we're going to do is I cut out images. All of these images are completely free in Cricut Design Space for Access members. Some of them may just be free. So it's definitely worth, if you haven't already and you're not a member, you might sign up for that. It's only $10 a month and you get like 75,000 images. It's totally worth it. I just cut out the images. You want the ones where it's just going to be the outline, so that way you could color these in. So we've got popsicles, we've got a super cute sloth here, you know that's popular, a cute little giraffe, and a cute little elephant. But you could do trucks, you could do characters, you could do whatever you wanted to, but I want to show you just these ones here. Now I got a package of 5 shirts from Walmart. They're called Wonder Nation. It comes 5 in a pack. These are the 4T, 5T, and I believe it was around $7 for 5 shirts. So definitely recommend checking them out. These are really nice shirts, super soft. And then I'm going to be using the fabric pins from Artesia. Now these are $23 over on their website. I'll have the links down below. The way that these are going to work is you want to put something in between. We'll do another video on that. You want to put something in between like a cardboard or cardstock or something to where it won't bleed through the other side. Let the kiddos color it in. Let it at least set for at least 6 hours or overnight. And then you want to use your EasyPress. You want to flip the shirt inside out like this, right? So you're going to want to do this. Flip the shirt inside out. And then what I would do is put a piece of parchment paper to protect my heat press from the ink. Do 107 degrees. So you want to have the temperature on 107. And you want to press it for 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is get your shirt down on your EasyPress mat, and we're going to go ahead and iron out any of the wrinkles and get out any moisture. So I've already got the EasyPress on 315 for 30 seconds, and as you guys can see, I've got that new mint color. Look how cute that is. And this is the 9x9. So today I'm going to use the 9x9 because it's going to cover this all the way super perfect. So that's what I'm going to use. So like I said, I'm just getting out those wrinkles and heating up the surface. So it's 315 for 30 seconds. And they do recommend that you flip the shirt and do another 15. All right. So I'm going to kind of let that moisture kind of pull out just a little bit and dry. And we're going to go ahead and get our first image down. All right, so for the first one here, we're going to do this super cute sloth with the namaste. So what I'm going to do is just get that down. And with the kids' shirts, you want to come down about 2 fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot that guy up just a little bit. And then I'm going to eyeball and just kind of make sure that we're even. Over time, I've talked about this time and time again, you will get completely used to that. And you can tell if it's even. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and get our iron down and push go. So they just say gentle pressure for 30 seconds. All right, so I'm going to go and lift that off. Now, if you were going to follow along with Cricut's instructions, you would want to flip your shirt over just like so and press for another 15 seconds. So I don't even have to change my time. I'm just going to hit go and stop it when it gets to 15 seconds. And now we're going to flip it over. Now, this is a hot peel. This is the Cricut Everyday Light, so you can just go ahead and peel it just like so. So there's that first one. He's super cute. Look at that. And this is a Cricut Access. He's completely free. All of the images that I did today is Access. So there is our first design. So cute. I'm going to set that out of the way and keep going. All right, so same thing. I'm going to go ahead and get the iron out here. Now this is 4T, 5T, and when I measured these out in Cricut Design Space, I did them about 6 inches tall, 6 inches wide. You know, but I just went by the height, so I did 6 inches and whatever the width was. So that's what I did for a 4T, 5T. So what we're going to do is our next one, I've already got that moisture out. For this next one here is going to be these super cute popsicles. So it was just one image in Cricut Design Space, and I put all 3 and welded them together. So 2 down. I'm just going to eyeball it, make sure everything looks even, looks good. This will be perfect for a nice hot summer day. So I'm going to go ahead and go down on that and hit go. All right, I'm going to lift that off. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and do another 15 seconds. I'm going to flip it over And go ahead and peel that off while it's nice and hot. And there you have it. Look how cute that is. Love it. Bang, pull out the moisture. Alright, for this next one, it's going to be the super cute giraffe. I'm going to go ahead and get him down 2 finger lengths down. Just making sure he looks even. That looks good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and get that down. Hit go. Now this one would have been really cute with a cute little saying that said giraffe or something that goes down, but I just wanted some of these to be kind of simple. Alright, flip it over. Alright, gonna flip that back over and peel that off. So there's a super cute giraffe. Really cute. Love it. But it would have been cute, like I said, to put, like in bold, to put the word giraffe right here. Would have been really cute. Now this was a set of 5. So I need to cut out 1 more image. But I just got 4 so far. So I thought I would show you guys what I got. I'm going to go ahead and iron out the shirt again. Pull out any moisture. Go ahead and get down this super cute elephant. Alright, so I'm going to go down, make sure I'm just 2. So bring it up just a little bit. Make sure it looks even. Just like that. Get that down for 30 seconds. Alright, we're going to flip it over for another 15 seconds. Alright, there we go. Alright, pull off our plastic. It's like that to have that really cute elephant. How cute is that? And then it would be cute once they were done. You could take a little safety pin and pin on a really cute bow for a little girl. This would be super cute. There you have it. So we have the elephant, the giraffe, the super cute sloth, and the ice cream. Isn't that cute? So that would be, and I have 1 more. So for a set of 5 shirts, I got 1 more I can do. So for a set of 5 shirts, it was $7. And then you can get you a set of the artesia pins, which is $20. This is for fabric, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So you could get a set of these, but you could literally make a ton of shirts, as many as you wanted to. So say for the ice cream, I wanted to choose some fun colors like this. Let's just say like that. And I could take some ribbon and tie these on to the shirt and give them away to like a student. So as a teacher's gift or a parent that wants to make gifts for each student. So you could take even 2 pins. So say you took 2 pins per kid and you tied these on and had a cute little tag on it. That would be really cute. Birthday gift, whatever it may be. Same thing with the sloth. So say you want to just add a couple pins so you get a little brown. You want to add some cute colors or something to kind of go with it. Just 2 pins per shirt. Now, or if it's a birthday gift, because you want to do several throughout the year to each, you know, say you got nieces and nephews, you do all 5 shirts, and then for each kid, you give, you know, a couple pins. So you give like 4 or 5, depending on the colors involved, and then you still have so many, because each set comes with 30. Or, if you made several shirts and you wanted to give them the entire container of pins, you could do that as well. So I just wanted to throw out ideas there. Also, if you were having a baby shower, you could make a bunch of these with the onesies and then have the people that are there color them in. Same thing with a birthday party for your kiddos. So you could print a bunch of these shirts out and have them ready to go and have these on the table for a fun summer project, whether it be a birthday party or a bunch of kids are involved. It would be a great fun summer project. So I just wanted to show you that. And like I said, so for 5 shirts, you could probably, if you were going to do this, you could go get some Gildan shirts for about $1 something a piece off of the place that I order from. I'll have it linked down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.